Hey, Cinechroma Entertainment Television, Buckingham Daddy. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo, yo, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, Abiola. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy go day. Buckingham Daddy Abiola. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy go day. African legacy, you know they take and play. African culture, you hold am very tight. African money, you know they agree at all. For in gym, for in vein, na African blood. Buckingham Daddy Abiola. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy.
And so I will go. That clothes I will buy. I buy. I you have to look after yourself. Person go look after himself as life dey. Life going to go. No, as we are still there alive too. I will enjoy myself.
Mom, where are you? Mom, where are you? Mom, where are you? Mom, where are you? Mom.
Are you looking for your mom?
Yes.
What's your name?
Stephen.
Okay, Stephen. How did you get here?
I was here with my mom.
So, where did she go?
I don't know.
Do you know your address?
No.
Okay, Stephen. Do you know your mom's phone number? Maybe I can call her?
No.
Oh, goodness me. So which direction were you coming from? Were you coming from there or there or there?
No.
You're coming from this way. And then what happened? Well, I mean, I just found them shouting, looking for his mom. He couldn't find his mom.
The supervisor talks. Those people when they work on that side, they're supposed to come in time. Because the manager is the vessel.
I ain't not go vest. Lateness good for anybody.
Which one?
David,
Lateness no good.
please,
Where they
let me see one small boy. Now
Small
this
boy.
height, yes.
Which boy?
The boy has dread.
Now your son.
Now my son, though.
And what happen?
I didn't see him.
I manage.
Nope. Now you with him they go.
We were going together. He disappeared.
Disappear.
How come he disappear? Waiting you they look.
They call.
You their phone.
You see?
Oga, please.
You see, you these women.
Please,
You
Oga.
there for
So,
your pikin disappear.
A whole child.
Baby.
A whole child. For phone.
Na juju.
See,
He disappear.
Did you do that? Young man, how are you?
What's your name? Steven. Okay. Who are you, Steven? Everything good? What's your surname? Stephen King. What a lovely name. Alright, what has he told you so far?
And he doesn't know his address, he doesn't know his mom's phone number.
Okay. Okay, how did you get here?
I was with my mom.
Alright. And what happened?
She was on the phone.
She was on the phone.
Yes.
Alright.
He said he was walking with his mom, and I
Alright.
figured it must have just turned in to go into the park without the mom realizing.
So you left your mom and went straight to the park?
Why did you do that? Why were you not following your mom? You wanted to play?
Yes.
Okay. Is there any park around your house?
Yeah.
Because I need to know the landmark. Well, what number of buses pass through your house? You don't know.
What bus number do you take when you're going home with mommy?
Yeah.
Do you take any bus when you're going home with mommy? Do you take a red bus? Yeah?
Yes.
Is it a small red bus or a big red bus? So what number is the bus?
Well, can't remember.
Can you walk to your house from here, or do you have to take the bus? You can walk. So it's pretty local, I guess.
Yeah, I believe so. I believe so. Are you local here, madam?
Well, no, I'm not local. I'm just walking through and I found him shouting, "Mom, Mom, where are you?"
Good Samaritan, I guess. All right. What clothes is your mom wearing?
How you supposed to know that your child is with you? You'll be on phone.
Is that?
I guess that's the mom.
Baby, it's my son.
Will you keep quiet?
Son,
Yeah, I'm
Was she?
looking for him.
your mom. You see, so your son disappeared right behind
Yes.
you.
He
Going everywhere looking.
Was it in front of you or behind you?
was walking behind me.
How can you keep your child behind you and you were on the phone?
She
Let
said-
a little boy like this walk behind you.
She said she did on phone. She didn't know when the Peking just disappeared. Eh?
You were on the phone.
On the phone, talking.
I
And you
can't
got
lie.
carried away. You didn't know when your son actually departed from
I'm
you.
sorry.
Even if you're on the phone, make sure that your child is in front of you so you can still see what's going on.
I'm
What
sorry.
if somebody had snatched him away?
I'm sorry.
Woman gossip. People will never do the right thing.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Are you okay? Now you won't ask whether it's okay.
Seriously, if I have to do it the right way, I should have taken this young man.
I beg, Oga, I beg with God. I beg. I beg.
Because
you
we
with
have
God.
many
I beg.
of your
I
type
beg.
out there
I beg.
who get carried away on the phone
I will
and
never do
they
that
leave
again.
every other thing
I will
undone.
never
Now
do
them,
that again.
now the thing where they do be that busybody,
I will never
busybody.
do that
They
again.
talk of ask her waiting. She they talk on phone now.
But in the meantime, I think you should collect her number. I'm from the social services. We might want to check up on the little boy.
Don't worry, I just want to make sure this young man is okay.
Is
Just
it
young.
okay? Go there,
Can I have
okay?
your number,
Nothing will
please?
do this boy.
It's okay, just your number,
your number.
please. Just so we can check up on him.
Hey, I don't even remember that.
Waiting be na. Which one be na? Give them your number.
Get your number for you. If I have your phone.
Madam, don't worry.
What would you have told your husband when you get home?
I don't know.
You didn't find his son.
But thank God, thank God.
Okay. The number is 07956
And see, we just they discuss our own jeje. Take our own come discuss.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. 80.
Your name, please. ma'am.
Take your phone now.
Your name?
My name
Madam, you have nothing to worry about.
my name na Comfort.
Comfort. What's your name, please?
You dey go.
Na Comfort King.
You dey go.
What's
You
your-
dey go with Pikin. You don't look back.
What's your address,
You
please?
don't reach police now. You dey do like say you no get sense.
Eh.
Your address, madam.
You know, go no, you know, don't know your address again.
Number 17. Also Avenue.
What's the postcode, please?
13.
I beg, maybe we dey go our place. Thank you, officer.
All right,
Thank you, madam.
Thank you. I thank you now. Sir, madam, next time when you're walking with your child, always make sure the child walks in front of you. Even if you're on the phone and your child is in front of you, you can see what's going on. But behind you, somebody could snatch him away. Okay?
It's true. It will never happen again.
It's
never.
all right. It's okay.
300.
I mean your postcode.
Yes. 00. Okay, 13.
Yeah.
20D. Sorry. OD.
I can't stop you from receiving call, but it should be your priority. Please. Enjoy your day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam.
All right, madam. Make sure that he walks in front of you, not behind you.
Please, I will call you just to make sure that everything is all right.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
All right,
very welcome,
Steven.
madam.
Keep safe, okay?
Nice meeting you, madam.
All right,
Thank you very much.
No worries.
More of you in the society.
Yes.
Enjoy the rest of the day, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Daddy, yo, 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 Buckingham daddy, yo. Buckingham daddy, Abiala. Buckingham daddy today. Buckingham daddy today. Buckingham daddy good day. Buckingham daddy, Abiala. Buckingham daddy today. Buckingham daddy today. Buckingham daddy good day. African legacy, you know they pick and play. African culture, you hold am very tight. African money, you know they agree and talk. For in gym, for in vein, African blood. Buckingham daddy, Abiala. Buckingham daddy today. Buckingham daddy today.